If you're wondering what is Rich Dad Summit about, you've come to the right place. Rich Dad Summit was a 2-day live virtual summit online webinar which is taught by various successful people in their own respective fields about how to create your own passive income streams and live the lifestyle you desire. It was held on 9 to 10 December 2017. Although the event has ended, the recording is still available for sale through ClickBank. So, if you decide to join the webinar, you can pay $1 and watch it anytime you want because it is a recording. You will learn a variety of ways to build passive income streams. You've mostly probably heard of Robert Kiyosaki and his international best-selling personal finance book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend you to do so because this book has changed thousands or even millions of people worldwide. In this 2-day webinar they will provide you with 7 ways to create a sustainable passive income for life. And they're offering this program for just $1 because they said that they truly want to help as much people as possible. So, they don't want to charge a few hundred or even $1,000 for this like many other programs do. Basically, this summit is for anyone who has not yet achieved financial freedom and need help with that, but this course is mainly for beginners who are still finding their path. There are the 9 speakers whom you will be learning from during the 2-day summit. So there are definitely valuable lessons to be learnt. Basically, day 1 is mainly to introduce to you the different ways you can build your passive income stream, such as entrepreneurship, stocks and online marketing, email marketing. They will also cover some of the important concepts in the Rich Dad Poor Dad book, such as the difference between asset and liability. These are essential knowledge if you truly want to be financially free. But if you've read Rich Dad Poor Dad before and you already understand the concepts, these will be rudimentary for you. In day 2, there are more information on how to use your money to make even more money, let money work for you. For example, you'll learn how to invest in real estate, Bitcoin, and you'll also learn how to use legitimate ways to pay less taxes. Are there any upsells? Obviously. This $1 summit is what internet marketers called the tripwire. Just like a free gift in exchange for your email address, it's a tripwire for more upsells in the sales funnel. Upsell number 1, Rich Dad Insider. Immediately after you sign up for the summit, there's an upsell of Rich Dad Insider, which is an advanced course by Robert Kiyosaki. It will dive deeper into topics like real estate investing, taxes, self-development, passive income, entrepreneurship and many more. It's a 15-module course with a monthly updates of new insider secrets. This upsell has a free 14-day trial and $67 per month if you decide to continue. Upsell number 2 to 5 Money Rules. 5 Money Rules is an one-time offer (OTO) upsell that cost $97. Basically, this is another Robert's course about money. It teaches you the right mindset rich people are using to accumulate more wealth and protect it. Anyway, there's a downsell for this 5 Money Rules which cost $47. It is the light version of the $97 course. So, is Rich Dad Summit a scam? No. There are a lot of useful information from the experts that only cost you $1, which is crazy. So, my advice for you is this. If you already have your own business and you know what you want to work on, you should look for more advanced training within your field. Rich Dad Summit is not for you. If you're a complete beginner who wants to create your own passive income but not sure where to start, these 16 hours of Rich Dad Summit will well worth your time. You can discover all the major ways for you build passive income streams. Check the link in the description below to get instant access to the 16 hours training for just $1. You can watch it anytime and anywhere.